Welcome to part 2 of DubBot training. In this video, we will cover the different types of issues that you may come across, as well as how to find and address issues on your pages. From the Dashboard Quick Wins panel, or the page list, select a page to see all of the issues reported for a single web page. The tabs on the left side of the web page preview display information about the page and found issues. The tabs available are Accessibility, Best Practices, Bad links, spelling, web governance, SEO checks, readability, and finally, open tasks. You will see a number associated with each category, which indicates how many issues of that category appear on the page. To view accessibility issues, click on the Accessibility panel. Issues in the Accessibility panel factor into the accessibility score for the site. Select an accessibility issue to see additional details and highlighting of the issue on the web page preview. The expanded issue details the impact of the violation, the specific WCAG standard that the issue violates, element location, ignore issue options, and task options. Like the accessibility panel and other issue category panels, the best practices panel will contain the number of best practice issues specific to the page. A best practice issue will indicate that a technique should be adopted to make your website optimized in usability, accessibility, or search engine optimization. Some issues you will see may also fit into a different issue category. For example, please note that while some best practice issues may be related to accessibility, best practices do not factor into the accessibility or other category scores. The Bad Links panel, also referred to as the Broken Links panel, displays links that were reported as broken on the web page. Each broken link will provide what the error status is for the reported link. Please note, depending on a user's role, a broken link can be ignored for a page, site, or account only if your account role has the appropriate permissions to do so. The Spell Check panel displays spelling issues within a web page. Selecting a reported word will highlight the word on the web page. Some words may be contained within a non-visible element within your site. You will need to log into your site to verify the exact location of the misspelled word. You may also have the ability to add a misspelled word to the dictionary for this page only, for this site, or for this account. The Web Governance panel displays additional checks that have been configured as add-ons to the provided issue categories. These policies are additional checks for web governance, accessibility warnings, search engine optimization practices, or simply quality checks for known common issues. The Search Engine Optimization Checks panel, or SEO Checks panel, provides users with basic information on whether the web page meets general SEO best practices. These issues can include, but are not limited to, page title, page description, and page headers. The Readability panel provides statistics related to the readability of content within a web page. These categories include, but are not limited to, word count, sentence count, and readability scores. Information about the readability grade of your content is provided by hovering over the question mark icon for each scale. Once you've updated the issue on the web page and you would like to verify that it no longer is being flagged as an issue within DubBot, you can click Crawl to initialize DubBot to recrawl the page to search for existing issues. If you are having difficulty finding an issue on your page, or the issue doesn't seem to be highlighting its location when you click on it, you can disable the CSS styles to view only the plain text version of the page, which may help you track down where the issue is. If the issue is not highlighting on the web page when selected, please assign the task to Web Team, providing as many details as possible. When reviewing issues, you can change the view of your page by clicking on View in the upper right-hand corner. Here you can change how your page is displayed in DubBot to help you troubleshoot. There are 4 different views available: Full Preview, Source Code, Text Only, which will only display the text elements on the page, including some elements not visible by default, and finally, Words Only, which will only display the visible words on the page. Please reach out if you have any comments or questions. Thank you.